Let's stop pretending for a second. The modern truck market is completely broken. You are expected to pay $80,000, sometimes even $100,000, for a truck that is scared of its own shadow. Touchscreens everywhere, sensors in places that don't need sensors, engines that feel powerful, until the warranty runs out and then suddenly everything starts failing at once. This isn't progress. It's controlled failure. Modern trucks are not built to last. They're built to be replaced. So today, we're going back to a time when trucks actually meant something. No gimmicks, no fake luxury, no planned obsolescence. Just raw steel, real engines, and machines that refuse to die. These are 5 old trucks that absolutely destroy modern pickups. Number 5. The 1989 to 1998 Dodge Ram with the 12-valve Cummins. This is where things get embarrassing for modern trucks, because this engine doesn't just outperform them, it outlives them. Under the hood sits the legendary 5.9-liter 12-valve Cummins, and what makes it special is brutally simple. There are no electronics controlling fuel delivery, no fragile sensors waiting to fail, no emission systems choking the engine to death. Just a fully mechanical injection pump that will run no matter what. You can literally disconnect the battery while the engine is running and it will keep going. Try that with a modern truck and you won't just get a warning light, you'll be calling a tow truck. And this is why it destroys modern pickups. Longevity. These engines regularly hit 500,000 miles. Many go far beyond that. Meanwhile, modern diesel trucks are dealing with clogged DPF systems, failing DEF heaters, and limp mode issues before they even reach 150,000 miles. Yes, the truck itself has problems. The dashboards crack, the steering can feel loose, the interior is cheap. But none of that matters, because the engine is the truck. And this engine is practically immortal. If you understand that reliability beats comfort every single time, you already know why this deserves a spot on this list. Number 4. The 1999 to 2006 Chevy Silverado 1500, also known as the GMT 800. This truck is proof that simple engineering always wins. Under the hood is the 5.3-liter Vortec 5.8, part of the legendary LS family. And if you know anything about engines, LS means one thing: durability. This was before cylinder deactivation, before complicated fuel-saving systems, before engineers started trading reliability for emissions numbers on paper. This engine runs on all 8 cylinders all the time, exactly how it should. Modern Silverados shut cylinders off to save fuel, which sounds great until those systems start failing. Lifters collapse, engines destroy themselves internally, and suddenly your expensive new truck becomes a financial nightmare. The GMT 800 doesn't have that problem. It just runs. Yes, the 4L60E transmission can fail. Yes, the rocker panels rust. But here's the difference. Everything on this truck is fixable. Cheaply. Easily. You don't need specialized tools or a laptop to diagnose it. You don't need to remove half the truck just to reach basic components. This is why you still see these trucks everywhere, even after 20 years. They just don't die. Number 3. The 1999 to 2003 Ford F-250 and F-350 Super Duty with the 7.3 Power Stroke. To some people, this isn't just an engine, it's a legend. Built by International, not Ford, this engine comes from a company that made industrial equipment, not commuter vehicles. And you can feel that difference immediately. It's loud, it's slow, it rattles. It doesn't care about comfort or refinement, but it will outlast almost anything on the road today. We're talking about engines that regularly hit 400,000 to 500,000 miles without needing a rebuild. And when something does go wrong, it's usually simple enough to fix without draining your bank account. Now compare that to modern diesel trucks. High-pressure fuel systems, complex emissions equipment, sensors everywhere. One failure can cost thousands, sometimes tens of thousands. The 7.3 doesn't play that game. It's overbuilt, understressed, and designed to keep working no matter what. It's not fast, and it doesn't need to be. Because real trucks aren't about speed. They're about surviving. Number 2. The 2000 to 2006 Toyota Tundra. This is where things get really interesting, because this truck embarrassed the entire American market. When it first came out, people laughed. They said Toyota couldn't build a real truck. They're not laughing anymore. Under the hood is the 4.7-liter V8, one of the most reliable engines ever made. This thing is known to go hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues, and there are documented cases of these engines crossing 1,000,000 miles. Not rebuilt, not replaced, the original engine. That doesn't happen by accident. That happens when something is over-engineered to a level that modern manufacturers simply don't care about anymore. Now look at the new Tundra. Twin-turbo V6. More complexity, more stress, more things that can go wrong, and they already are. The old Tundra doesn't need turbos. It doesn't need hybrid systems. It just works. Day after day, year after year. And that's exactly why it destroys modern trucks. Because it proves you don't need complexity to build something great. Number 1. The 1992 to 1996 Ford F-150 with the 4.9-liter inline-six. This is one of the most underrated engines ever made. It doesn't make big horsepower numbers. It doesn't look impressive on paper. But what it does have is something modern engines completely lack: consistency. The 4.9 inline-six is known for running forever, not 100,000 miles, not 200,000. We're talking 300,000, 400,000, sometimes even more with basic maintenance. And the reason is simple. It's built like industrial equipment. This engine was used in trucks, vans, work vehicles, even machinery. It's designed to run all day, every day, without being pushed to its limits. Modern engines are the opposite. Smaller displacement, turbocharged, running higher pressure, more stress on every component. But they feel stronger, but they're actually more fragile. The old 4.9 doesn't care about speed, it cares about working. It produces strong, low-end torque, exactly where a truck needs it, and it delivers it without strain. No complicated timing systems, no fragile turbochargers, no unnecessary electronics. Just a simple, bulletproof engine that does its job. And that's why it beats modern trucks. Because it's not trying to impress you, it's built to serve you. The truth is, the automotive industry wants you to believe that newer is always better. They want you to think your old truck is outdated, unreliable, and not worth keeping. But that's how they make money. Because if your truck lasts forever, they can't sell you another one. And when you look at these machines, the truth becomes obvious. Real trucks aren't defined by massive screens or luxury interiors. They're defined by how long they last, how easy they are to fix, and whether they can handle real work without falling apart. These trucks don't just compete with modern pickups, they expose them. Because once you understand what real durability looks like, it's very hard to justify paying $80,000 for something that might not even make it to 200,000 miles. And that's the reality most dealerships don't want you to hear. Old trucks weren't perfect, but they were honest, and that's exactly why they still win.